Good Saturday morning. I've been up for hours. I have been doing a little research on our girl Danny. Jean is back in the snowy part of the Alps. These little villages he goes to, if you're new, Jean is a man who walks throughout the French Alps, and he goes village to village. And so he explores all these resort villages, little tiny mountainous villages that don't have resorts. I think most do. Oh my God, they are so beautiful. Some of the little houses are centuries old. Oh, the little churches are to die for. He's been here before. Darn it, I can't remember where it is. Maybe they'll say, look at that. Could you imagine waking up and seeing that? Not that. Dude. Oh, he had one that was a medieval one where you could see the arrow slits in the walls. Look at that. Look at that. I could live there. I could live in there. I could live in there. I could live in that shack. I can make it work. Look at that, a rooster. Oh my God. Somebody. Bonjour, bienvenue. Peut-être qu'il voulait dire. Okay, maybe. Usually someone says where they are. Peut-être qu'il voulait dire. Okay, my French sucks. It's very, very slow. Oh, someone from Quebec. What city is this? Did somebody answer?
Voilà, j'étais en train de parler, c'était rouge. Des fois, c'est un peu délicat.
Wow. Wow.
Bernard Ambre, belle soirée. Je sais pas s'il partait. Du coup, j'ai parlé tout à l'heure, mais je sais pas si on m'entend quand c'est... Ouais, mais je l'ai vu. Je l'ai vu que c'était bug.
Nobody answered.
Voilà, mais en général, je le vois, donc après, c'est pas forcément utile de dire bug.
Merci.
Mais bon, après... voilà.
Wow. Could you imagine that in your front yard? I'd never leave. I would just stay there until I died.
Ouais, Géraldine, ben là, je suis à Saint-Véran.
Oh, I bet in the spring it's so beautiful.
Ici, ils font le pain, pizza à emporter.
Never been to the French Alps.
Ah ben, je crois que c'est même ouvert, là. Parce que j'entends épicerie, pizza
I'm
emporter.
still looking. Darn it.
Tu vas là, prends ta pizza.
Let's see.
Welcome France, attends. France. Pas très loin de l'Italie. Attends, traduction.
Italy's over there.
Attends. Ah ouais, US. Welcome France, hein.
Oh, someone asked if it was the French Alps. Darn it.
C'est une auberge. Ben là, il y a des chambres d'hôtes, il y a auberge, il y a...
Oh no, it's a Reformed church.
Il y a un gars hôtel, chalet du Villard, logis hôtel.
Oh, darn it. Sometimes the buildings will say the city.
L'église,
Darn it.
1804. Ah, elle est de 1804.
Hey, would you stop? He has this tendency to close up on certain things.
Bon, ça, je vais pas trop non plus insister en live.
That's the village. Okay. I know we've been here. Oh, they're building something.
Ah ouais, c'était par là.
Look at that. I could live in the falling down place. Oh no, they're not building.
Non, ben,
That's
on verra
just
bien.
how it is.
Demain, si je fais là, il y aura ça fera des petites coupures de temps en temps, mais bon.
Wow. Okay, I'm in love with the door. They have their firewood. Aww. A mountain rabbit with horns or a goat. I think it looks like a rabbit, but I think it's supposed to be a goat. Mountain goat, mountain sheep. I like the doors. I'm a door nut.
Envie de manger une pizza chez lui.
That's not gonna tell me shit.
Atelier, gars, j'ai tout ce qu'il faut, mais...
Bonjour.
Pizza.
Oh, I
Je
like
te jure, j'ai envie de prendre une pizza.
pizza. We're making
Mais,
pizza in there? Look at the shutters. Oh.
En train de faire la pizza.
Oh. On? Lieu. Eterlu.
En fait,
Oh my God, we're looking at
c'est
him
vraiment
making
tout
the
ce qu'il
food.
faut, tu
Okay,
vois.
Eterlu.
Même-
All right,
j'ai même
hold on. Let's check. Let's
pris du
just check real
fromage.
quick. We'll listen to him while we look. No, not YouTube. What am I doing? I need
Mes sardines,
Googles.
les amis.
Okay.
Là, on a 2042 mètres.
I don't think it was France. France.
Ouais, gars, il fait des pizzas, mais c'est vrai que c'est dans un petit village, il donne envie, celui-là.
Up. 3-star
En plus, ça peut
hotel.
marcher,
Okay,
les
here
petits
it is.
commerçants, tu vois, ils sont pas
Alua.
énormes ici.
Alu. Les Alu, France. Okay.
Ben, après, j'ai du
Should we
fromage et tout,
just
tu vois.
check and see how much
Il donne envie, tu
nightlies
vois.
are?
C'est tout. Je sais pas, ça a son charme.
Not
en
bad.
fait.
I'm kidding. They have a pool. They have a pool back there.
Tu vois, c'est dans ce sens-là
Okay,
que.
we're coming back, Jean.
Et en plus de manger une.
Okay, here we are.
Que,
Here we are.
et en plus de manger une
We're at the
pizza.
hotel. 3 stars. They call that 3 stars. Why? Because
Le
there's rocks
contexte,
falling
il
out?
est bien, tu vois.
Fuck, I'll live there. I'll live with that crooked door.
C'est dans ce sens-là que je voulais.
I'll live in the
dire.
maid's quarters.
Hydromel.
Look, I want to live
Il a fait un
there.
live tout à l'heure.
I'll live in that wood shack.
Mais
I'll live in your outhouse.
ça ferait un client. Ben,
Could you
ouais,
imagine
mais en
owning
plus,
this
dans-
property next to the big old hotel? What if you worked at the big old hotel? You were the chef or the housekeeper. You
Ouais,
just walked to work.
l'artisanal.
Wouldn't matter if it was a blizzard.
Ouais,
I could live there with the pretty blue door.
mais je suis avec la caméra, moi je rentre comme ça.
Oh my God. Yes, please. I don't want y'all thinking I'm not a proud American. I am an American citizen and love being an American citizen and love the rights it affords me. I just have lived in Europe and as a child and I want to go back. I have given my life's blood to this country and its people and I deserve it. Nobody agrees with me though. What's Trish doing? Boring. We'll go back. Oh, there they are! There they are!
Itu makan.
Oh my gosh, everyone's okay?
Coba
Everyone's
kasih
okay?
meo-nya.
He doesn't like fish. He wants
Itu,
something different.
pengen makanan kering kali.
He's a
Makan,
pescatarian.
makan. Iya itu nak.
Oh, he's
makan,
angry.
Nak. Tuh.
He wants something different. He is not happy with the food selection.
Udah pasti nanti
Look
juga
at him.
akan dimakan ya.
Oh my gosh, they're all okay. Now, I do believe these ones are in Jakarta, and I don't believe Indonesia was hit. I mean, I think everyone over there felt it, but they were not having problems. The one we need to find is our kitty compound. That one is in Bangkok. She's not happy. Oh God, my girl. Got my frying pan right here. Got my frying pan. Doing some puppet magic with my frying pan last night. I think you'll like it. Kind of looks like that. Milo, what are you doing? Oh, hardest working man in Peru. I'll get a copyright claim for you, babe. You want to dance with me? Want to dance? Huh? You know tomorrow's your sister's birthday. Yeah, it's your sister's 7th birthday. Big birthday for Ginger. Yes. Okay, I'm getting sick of him.
It's not, like, anywhere fancy.
Oh, it's Allison May. I wouldn't imagine anything you do is fancy. This is Vico from Vietnam. Apparently Vietnam felt the earthquake. I mean, everybody did. It was shallow. Oh, that's neat. Stagnant air, barely a breeze. Oh, puppy, don't lay down in the middle of the road.
By car, yeah, pretty long.
You silly dog. Oh, that's nice.
Cek, thank Thank you
Hello.
so much, friend.
No, it's not the one. I think I have seen that one. Is there any more new 24 hours in police custody? I've not checked.
Hmm.
Hi, y'all. We
Hi.
are emailing legal@tiktok.com to take Spread Love 389 down, as they are, in fact, exploiting children, exploiting tragedies.
Oh.
Cheryl, send it to Danny and she could text it to my phone.
Oh.
Or get my number from Danny.
What'd she do? I mean, I'd like to see her leave.
Exploiting children, tragedies, deaths, etc. Please email legal@tiktok.com
What?
with this and any screenshot that you may have on Spread Love. Any information you have on them, please email it.
Wow. Wow. Who's she exploiting?
Spread Love ain't finna play with me. I don't know what she thought this was, but I'm vile, but in a different manner.
Okay.
Thank y'all so much for the emails. I appreciate y'all doing this. I appreciate y'all sitting here and tapping and doing all the things. Absolutely. Ashley messaged me. From what I hear, she's in Missouri.
Mm.
I'm in Oklahoma, baby.
Oh.
Here's the thing about being in Missouri. Y'all just got tore up by some tornadoes. There's a lot more that you could be doing with your time.
That's for sure.
As soon as I got across the bridge, it started hurting. Walking to the phone, oh, it hurt. It's just so, oh man, I can't tell you. It hurts so bad.
Again?
I don't want to move.
Where's your
Like,
pain
I'm
pills?
so sick of this pain and it hurts.
Your eyes
Like, if I
looking.
just still- anybody's phone number without their consent. You might have been under the impression that they already had the phone number, whatever the case might be, but you still should not have shared anybody's phone number.
And she shared it to just Jules.
Jules wasn't even.
You posted it in y'all's chat.
Jules was on a plane all day yesterday.
You posted it in y'all's chat for everybody to see. Everybody that was in that chat could see
Including
our phone
SP.
numbers.
SP's not in that chat.
Are you
Convenient though.
Oh my God.
Hold on, I gotta get Jim.
Bluegill, am I-
Just hold on. Papa went to the pharmacy and he'll be back, okay? You just wait there. He's coming right back. They've been going for a long time. I don't do panels. Wow.
Straight out.
Look at that. New Zealand sunrise. The water's
This
just
lasted.
glass.
How long have I been on? 45 minutes. The glow initially fantastic. I'm going to keep bringing you round because now check out the mountains. Hang on. I'll just go slowly because I've got you
Jen?
zoomed in.
That's like a
The
Bob
above
Ross
red,
painting.
That's the clouds. Here's the mountains here.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yes,
It's more pastel,
please.
so everything's much clearer.
Milo. Oh my God, these two.
And the golden light behind me. Hang on, I'll just zoom you
Just
out. Have a look at
gorgeous.
this. I think this will come in more clearly now.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at the colour of the long grass, the tussock of where I'm hiking. See how dry it is in the area, can't you? But look at the colour.
Yeah, it is quite dry.
The glow of the horizon is reflecting it on the landscape. It is extraordinary.
Wow.
Tears of joy. Love that, Christine. Oh, thank you for coming in and seeing nature at its
Mother.
finest. And then back out across the ocean.
Almost looks like a sunset, but it's not.
Thanks, Sila. Alexander, this is
Wow.
above Christchurch. I'm actually standing in a reserve here, Scarborough Reserve. It's just getting better and better. In person, it's just getting better and better. It's that colour. Now you can see on the ocean, Devon, see the red of the ocean?
Yeah.
So you've heard of the Red Sea? Well, for the moment, it's been transported to...
Oh
South
my
Island.
God. Would you stop?
The rays are coming in.
Madman?
Crepuscular rays. These are the sunbeams. See if you can see this.
Hey, little
Right in
sunshine.
the middle of your screen. It's only marginal, but if you look now above Andy's comment, above Nye and Suze's
Is the sun
comment,
coming up?
it's barely there, but the stripes are in the middle. It's very gradual. But then look further up. The speckled cloud. Just. Stacey, welcome. Good to see you.
He should be a writer. He has a great vocabulary. Sean, what happened to you? What happened? Oh, it's Barbara out at McDonald's as usual.
Yes, notification. All right, notification. You gonna notify me when I'm getting $1?
Begging at the Mickey D's. I can see Mickey D. What the hell?
World famous McDonald's. I bet if I type it in, it's gonna come out. World famous McDonald's. Yup, it's the first result. It's the first result, baby.
New York? Oh, dear
Baby
God.
going crazy. Baby going crazy.
No? Florida?
I'm here. I'm right there.
Oops. So it's a multi-story.
I'm literally right there. Why would I go on Ozempic? I'm already underweight. So nasty and so rude.
So, Florida? He's playing with his slime. Wow. Our church. He doesn't know how to read Hebrew.
Yasha'Allah, Atha, Kal, Hatala'a, Ashar, Mataza Atham, Badarak, Wa Yatazalam, Yahweh. Verse 9. Wa Yakad.
400. Oh, we're out. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, God, I haven't seen her in forever. She wants 100,000. She's at 11.9. Oh, Lord. Haven't seen her for a while. Why is he showing his boobies? Ladies don't do that. Is he wearing... He's wearing track pants or a skirt? He's doing a shanny.
I've already yelled at him. I've already threatened everybody in here that I would personally skin them alive.
Nice.
But you know what to him. If they say yes to him, I will.
What?
Peel their foreskin up over their heads. And I can't touch the ladies. So.
You do? Yeah, wearing a skirt as a top. Doing a shanny.
And you think I'm joking or kidding? I'm not.
Who are we threatening now? Like you're gonna beat someone up. You need to eat more than ice cream. He eats candy. Oh, Dobby? Just got out of rehab.
The one they want to text on this one. I promise you that.
Yeah, the filters are filtering.
Nothing. Just you need to eat more than ice cream. I do?
No, you don't.
Just... I make the ice cream healthy. I put stuff in it like sugar and strawberries. Fructose.
Oh, Dobby's there? Great. He just got out of rehab and now he's going to use again. He needs to stay away from you. Maybe he's gonna have a chance.
There, I'm eating more than ice cream. I'm drinking a smoothie.
Oh, he lives on
No,
nerves.
it's not Dobby. It would be on everyone's head here, if I find out.
Dobby can't stay away. Yeah, it is. It is. Dobby knows better. He knows better. This is his second round of rehab in 6 months, you know.
Got a pancake.
Obviously, he doesn't want to stay clean.
Your hair grows out of your scalp, not from the ends. Jalen, I thought you knew that.
She's losing her hair. Something fierce. That hairline's going back further and further. By the way, Kool-Aid mustache. Kool-Aid _ mustache. See that?
She knows truth is on.
Awesome channel who streams Jalen.
She can't afford Botox.
She could afford it. She chooses to spend her money somewhere else. What is that annoying noise?
Yeah, she does watch her door pretty good.
What is she looking at? Her boobs? Oh, she's counting her tattoos. Okay, that noise is really too annoying. Hey, watch the kitties! Excuse me. Their little tails are all in the street. Look at this little one. It's Tuxedo Alley. Look at this little one. You have half a tail. Okay, babies.
Thank you.
Who is this, a baby?
Itu siapa itu? Tuh.
Wait for me. I'm here.
Buangan ini, baru nih. Itu ada indukannya kayaknya tuh satu.
Where's
Coba
my food?
dibawa ke sana aja.
Hello.
Diajak ke sana aja, panggil.
Hello.
Pusnya.
Come on. We're going this way. Come on.
Ambil tangkap, bawa ke sana.
I see glowing eyes.
Lemparin aja, lemparin. Satu lagi,
I see another
lemparin.
one.
Tuh, kayaknya baru dibuang tuh. Ya.
There's just little glowing eyes everywhere. Coming
Ada
out of
dry food,
shadows.
ambilin dry food. Bikin 2 tumpukan di situ.
I have the feeling the people love having these cats because they keep the rodent
Dan
population
satunya juga
down.
nyamperin tuh, ngeliatin tuh, kan. Nyamperin kan. Takut dia karena baru dibuang sama orang kayaknya aja. Agak jauhan atau masa ditumpuk jadi satu begitu deh.
Hey,
Kesana
watch your
tuh kucingnya
scooters.
di sana malah kesini.
He's hiding. Not well. Hey, baby.
Veter, welcome, Kak Susanti.
Here comes the other one.
Terima kasih. Dah, makan. Pakai kalung ya, Andre?
There's another one back there. I saw some eyes. Right there. Right there.
Dah.
Hi, boss.
Dah. Takut kucingnya. Ya, beginilah manusia-manusia yang pada suka-suka sama kucing doang, tapi komitmennya nggak ada buat terus ngerawat ya. Bosen ataupun...
Dude, you're out in the middle of the road.
Apalagi sekarang mau pada lebaran.
Holy moly, bags of something.
Dengan mengorbankan kucing-kucing yang dipeliharanya, dibuang-buang. Dianya mah senang-senangan, bisa mudik, bisa foya-foya sama keluarga.
Seems to be a problem in our world. Everybody just throws their trash everywhere. I don't understand it. Why? Why, people?
I'm leaving. Thank you so much. Thank you. Playing tag, right?
Street dogs in Vietnam.
They have the zoomies.
Watch out, puppies. You could get hurt. Oops. I knocked over a plastic cup.
Entire stay.
Ugh.
Wanted to find out why I was being talked about when I don't know these people.
Yeah, because they talk about everybody, apparently.
Yep. None
I
better
don't even know
today.
who you are, so I don't know why they were talking about you.
Kelly's good people. She has.
That's a freeze frame. Oh boy.
J'ai pris il y a le massif du Kera, là,
It's
on est entouré du
evening.
massif du Kera. J'ai pris un peu des.
And you know what I
fiches
love?
pour
Nobody
dire
ever
des choses dedans.
finds him, like, no one comes out of their house. He has stopped in front of windows and looked in people's windows. And they don't even, they like wave. They don't even freak out that, you know, you're on my property, you're looking in my window. It's just like, hello.
Je suis bientôt arrivé. Fin de live, belle soirée à tout le monde, grand plaisir les amis. Grand plaisir, belle soirée à tout le monde.
Gosh.
Ouais, bonne nuit, hein, Marie. Ma mère aussi. Ouais, belle soirée. Ben, je t'appelle Ama. Je t'appelle juste un instant, là, dans... une
So
fois que j'arrive,
gorgeous.
je t'appelle.
He's at the pier today. Or a walkway out to the ocean. Birthday girl. Tomorrow. I might go to work today. Papa's taking forever.
Wa'adka.
Wabo wa'akum.
Ma'aid.
Ma'ai.
Wa'aid awalam. Wa'aid.
Wa'ai.
Awalam.
Awalam.
In the English, I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills.
I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills.
From which cometh my help?
From which cometh my help?
My help cometh from the Lord.
My help cometh from the Lord.
Which made heaven and earth.
Which made heaven and earth.
He will not suffer thy foot to be moved.
He will not suffer thy foot to be moved.
He that keepeth thee.
He that keepeth thee.
Will not slumber.
Will not slumber.
Behold.
Behold.
He that keepeth Israel.
He that keepeth Israel.
Shall neither slumber nor sleep.
Shall neither slumber nor sleep.
The Lord is thy keeper.
The Lord is thy keeper.
The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand.
The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand.
The sun shall not smite thee by day.
The sun shall not smite thee by day.
Nor the moon by night.
Nor the moon by night.
The Lord shall preserve thee.
The Lord shall preserve thee.
From all evil.
From all evil.
He shall preserve thy soul.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Goes on forever. There's the sunshine. Wow, is that a
One
rock?
of the most extraordinary views leading up to the sunrise.
Good morning, New Zealand.
The Pacific.
I'm finna be sitting here doing this. Send me some gifts. The fuck?
What? Is she gonna sing for us? No, she's gonna play music. Okay, well, I'll be back later with a little Danny opinion. Boy, I've been studying her. Hubs and I both. Well, this is not the way to get big gifts. And she has a child. That's what's frightening.
I don't know why we sitting here playing the staring contest. Somebody send me 5 roses. The fuck, y'all ain't got 5 pennies? Y'all telling me y'all ain't got 5 pennies? Y'all broke? Y'all broke? Y'all telling me y'all don't have 5 pennies?
Not for you. Not for you.
I know. I've been getting the dishes going.
Cluttery fine, not nasty.
Where's Dobby? I'd rather see Dobby.
Yeah, I can't handle that shit.
Oh.
I'm getting the dishes.
I got it.
I'll leave the dishes in my phone.
Yeah, I know. Uh-oh.
Hang on.
Uh-oh. You gotta mute it. We're gonna have some
boyfriend.
talk about you-know-what.
Hey, boyfriend, I found a butterfly that's already passed away. But if you're interested, come here, baby. Come
Who
here.
is it?
I've got a butterfly for you.
I want to see who it is.
What are you
Squirrel?
bringing me? What are you bringing, Mama? What are you bringing
It's the Roadrunner.
me? Let me see. Oh, my goodness.
Isn't he the cutest,
We're
Chappy?
bringing some fluff for our new home. Okay.
Oh,
Look
my
what I brought
God.
you. Do you want the butterfly?
His little noises.
Okay, let Mama take this first. All right, I'll take that. Thank you. Well, thank you. Are you gonna? Thank you so much, kind sir. There we go. All right, you're such an angel. Thank you, chap. All right, you go get busy.
Isn't he the cutest?
Hey, boy.
Oh my God. I know I've shared him with you before, but I never can. Oh. Heatha, F as in Frank, ED as in dog. Okay. Oh my gosh. Just the cutest. He is the cutest. He is so cute. What's a good one? He loves to do his happy dance on her head. Oops.
My current situation.
Oh, that's when he brought the mouse to her. I know some of you won't like that, so. Let's see. Chappy?
What do you have? What is that? It looks like some more fluff. All right. Hang on, Mama's coming in. Be right there. Hi, Bubba. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Hold on just a minute. Hang on, I'm going to pick a flower for you. I got a flower for you. All right. Oh, my goodness. That's some beautiful fluff. Beautiful.
Doing the happy
fluff.
dance? Come on, do your happy dance.
Let's see. Hang on. You want some tummy rubs? All right. All right. Oh, goodness.
Who's that? Look at everybody's here.
Okay. You want to come down here? Come here.
There he's going to do his happy dance.
Come
Nope.
on, going down here for a little close-up.
He's going to do his
You don't want
dappy
a
daps.
close-up. You're so handsome. So handsome. Let me see what that fluff's all about. Here. Hang on.
Thank you.
Looks like dryer lint. Hold on. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. Do you want to look here?
No. No.
He is not interested in the flower. I have a flower for you.
Off he goes.
Thank you for this beautiful fluff. For Mama. What do you have, you little cute pie? Just a minute. Hold on, sweet son. Just a minute. I know you're so excited. Hang on. Let Mama sit down. Let me sit down. Come on. There we go.
There's his dance.
Oh, gracious. Hi, sweet boy. Oh, it's a beautiful leaf. That's wonderful. You want some tummy rubs? All right.
Those feet.
Let's get some tummy rubs. Oh, wow. It's so pretty sunshine today, huh? Come on down here. Come over here. Let's go down here so you can see everybody. Look. Okay.
So yeah, Chappy isn't releasable. So he's an education animal, and he obviously is in love with his mama. He bonded to her. So he brings her gifts every day. We used to have roadrunners up here, but I think housing drove them away. We have fennec fox too. Isn't that weird? Well, no, I think we have kit fox. We have big-eared fox, but not many are left because of housing. But they're so cute. I love roadrunners. Definitely check out her channel. See you guys later.